I'm watching your marker. I'm waiting for it to just jump off the cliff.
Oh, how'd you know? Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can ramp up and land back over where you are. I might shoot way over you.
I doubt it. There you go. Oh. No.
The speed! Wait, wait. Wait, wait. Ah! Where's my night V? Hold on.
You hit a rock, didn't you?
Yeah. I hit a rock going super fucking fast and I slid. My night V. Give that shit back. Where'd it go? Down there. At the bottom of this great wall. Had to go all the way down here to get my night V. How will I ever get back up? Oh, there you are.
What? I just see you flying down. Oh, as soon as it turns to dark, I'm gonna sweep.
Oh, what you sweeping?
Penis.
All sleep in the same bed. Oh, I thought that was a cannibal. No, I'm almost dead. Stop.
You are? Well, just more tape, dude.
Okay. Good point, actually.
No, I'm not gonna kill you.
Oh. Yep, one more.
One more?
One more. Actually, oh dang. Okay. I was gonna say not now because it's night, but whatever, I'll get tape. I have one viewer and it's probably you.
It is.
Yeah, you gonna
Oh,
watch
your
me
stream is
fucking
frozen.
oh.
Like it actually is.
Cause your internet sucks.
No, I don't. I think it's technically it's your internet.
Technically, I know you're one of mine, so
Technically, it is your internet.
no.
I mean, your shitternet.
You can't do that. You can't say that.
Watch me do it again.
Ah!
Bro, the funny word, dude.
It is funny.
Niger.
Nigeria. Are you able to? Is it unfrozen?
Huh?
Is it unfrozen for you?
Why?
I was gonna show you me massacring a whole family.
Yeah, but it's really dark.
Oh yeah, it is. Okay, I was getting my drinks. Dr. Pepper number 2 and 3. Okay. Okay. Time to bust out. You seeing this? Free loot time.
Yeah, your stream is like really delayed, Nathan.
Oh.
I'm ready to sleep when you are.
Alright, just gotta escape. Escape containment.
The fucking SPP.
Basically, I run around eating them. Beg for your life, you will not get it back. What did I ever do to you?
You die.
Yep, second time.
I'm ready to sleep when you are.
Well, I'll give you a show to watch while you're waiting. What? My hit just went right through him, then he turned around and bitch slapped me.
Looks like a skill issue.
Ah. A pill tissue. No. You don't just attack. No. Focus on one at a time. They're gone? They're out there. No.
Looks like you're not very good at this game.
Sometimes my hits just go right through them. You notice that?
Okay.
You notice
Yeah.
that when you're hitting them? Yeah?
Yeah, blame the game.
No.
Yep, blame the game.
No, I am a pro gamer. I have a big dick. I have a big dick and I'm cool
Mine's
and
bigger.
mine's better.
Fedoras are awesome.
Fedoras.
are awesome.
Mine's better.
God. Purple pony.
Unicorn.
Purple pony.
Unicorn. No. Just didn't go. Just didn't hit.
Do better.
Pooh header. Boo boo chickity boo boo chickity.
Ah, rabbit died.
Haha. I like how you're completely safe up there, but down here it's like all this
Not only
shit.
am I safe, I've got like all the food and water I could ever need. I'm not just safe.
You
I'm
fucking
flying.
hit me, now you're begging for your life, you're dead. Okay, he's dead. Oh, he just fucking ran away screaming. I wonder why. Okay, loot. Oh, this is one I've already been to. Lame. No extra loot. Excuse me, cannibal? Dirty cannibal. More dirty cannibal. I be going up the mountain when I go. What?
Don't worry about it. Are you at your home yet?
I'm working on it. I got an achievement called What Could Go Wrong.
So did I.
Oh, from the 10th night. Does that mean something
Oh.
big?
No, it just means you've survived 10 nights.
Yeah, I've survived 10 nights.
Alright, you need to hurry up and sleep because, like, my sleep meter is, like, all the way down.
Mine too.
It's not good. It shouldn't be that way.
It's been that way for a bit.
That's what happens when you do nothing but eat people.
Yeah, they're delicious, dude. Nutritious. I'm running. I'm almost there.
Where?
Home.
Oh, to me?
Yeah.
The fire lasts like 2 minutes up here. Not even 2 minutes, like 2 fucking seconds. It just went out again. It's sleepy time.
Z Z Z Z Z Z. Ah, I feel all better. I'm dying of I'm thirsting and hungering to death. Any people around? Thirst is better at least. I'm kind of surprised none of them tried to follow me up here. For a while, some of those dirty ones were following me, but they kind of wandered off.
Hold on. The fuck?
What? What happened?
Nothing.
That's what I thought.
You're just ugly!
Oh, I have a box of cereal to eat. Yummy.
Where'd you get that?
I don't know. Rotten meat? I'll eat that.
Num, num, yum, yum.
It gave me
You're just eating like garbage.
it gave me 1 pixel of damage.
That means it's healthy.
Yeah.
That mouse died.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
Mine did during the last stream too, and then I just plugged it in. Forgot I had it plugged in actually.
Alright. Oh, hey. All
Yes?
this shit is dried.
Epic.
I think it's because I have it next to a fire. Yeah, you wish you could eat a whole fish like that. Oh, you know you can walk while drinking water?
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, no, I guess it just let me that one time. It looked like I was grinding my face on the bottom of the riverbed.
Well, I have 25 arrows now. Need to make a quiver. Don't know how. I'll figure it out.
What, your mom?
Start screaming.
Oh, look, there's
Don't
blood in the snow.
don't kill me. I'm low. Hold on.
What, you're low?
Yeah, I don't want to deal with it.
Ow.
Fucking, I just escaped the cannibals.
And you haven't healed yet?
No, I'm eating
This
some
this
pills.
fish shit heals you like right away.
I ate pills and they didn't do anything.
Yeah, that happens sometimes.
That's awful. Now they did. Energy bar.
Where's your base?
Oh, you want to come see it?
Can you mark it on your map?
No, but it's already marked. It's a green blip. Hold on. Actually, it might not. Yeah, it's a green blip down there.
The pulsating one?
It's where Kelvin is. Just go where Kelvin is.
Okay.
It'll be a pulsating, a throbbing green blip too. Yeah. Those things are so fun.
Alright. Wish me luck.
Merry Christmas. It goes straight down.
I'm okay.
Epic.
Wait, did you hear me scream or no?
No. Hold on.
I screamed because I smashed into a tree. I like hit the top of the tree, right? And it pushed me, I fell all the way down. Off of the Night V, and yet somehow I didn't take any fall damage.
Oh! I fucking jumped off the mountain, and as I'm flying down, hit the tree, and flew off of it. And, I'm fine.
That's what it just did to me.
That's awesome. The same thing happened. Like, I'm happy that you don't take damage from that. That would be really annoying.
Ouch.
Oh,
Smashed
Cannibal.
head
Hi,
first.
Cannibal. Bye, Cannibal. Hannibal Lecter? My idol.
Oh no.
Who's that? What does
My
that guy
Night
do?
V's gone.
Oh no. You'll see it on the
Oh,
map.
here it is. No. Everything else is white, Nathan. It doesn't help at all. What? Oh, water. Oh, that's a cannibal. Did you burn one of these cannibals?
Not out here.
Ow, they just smacked me.
Yeah, see what I mean? They're aggressive
Well,
for
yeah,
no
but
reason.
they think I'm you.
They're aggressive for no reason. Just because we're dressed the same, look the same, talk the same, act the same, think the same, eat the same.
No.
Well, we eat
No.
different, but That we're still separate people. What was my point? I forgot.
No. Bro, I love that I can't pick up the Night V when it's in the water.
Oh,
Like, I can't even pick it up to take it out of the water. Okay, there we go. No. Oh. Why is the whole place snowy?
oh yeah, there's seasons in this.
It's winter already? Sup,
Dude,
little dude?
I don't know. I was playing for a while.
It's only day 11.
Every 10 days is a new season, my man. Now, where is my house? Oh, the green blip isn't it? The green blip is a point of interest. So my home is right by the fucking a cave.
Yeah.
Hello, Kelvin. Are you done gathering logs? No, get back to it. What happened?
Fucking. I hate that thing. It goes too fast.
The night V?
Yes.
I love it.
It goes too fast, so you just smash on a little pebble and just go flying.
It's funny.
I didn't even hit anything that time. I actually didn't. Like, there was a bush. That was it. Every, like, 2-3 seconds. Oh, hey, it's the place that we made.
Yep. Kept in pristine condition.
Nathan.
Yeah?
Where's, oh my god.
What?
What's this other meat you have here?
Oh, stuff from like this. Oh, sorry, Calvin. You'll get over it.
Oh, no, you're...
A rabbit was running by and I accidentally chopped him in the leg with my axe.
You knocked him down.
Yeah.
But he's probably gonna kill you.
He'll walk it off. It's just a gash in the leg from an axe. Arm jerky!
Hey,
Arm jerky!
there's suitcases here you haven't opened.
No, I open them. They just respawn.
Oh.
I have a fish. Would you like to make a wish? Now I need to get my wall up before the next attack.
Hey, it's my other stick bed.
Ow!
I'm so helpful.
Yeah!
Just
What?
throw them at you.
Okay. That's fine, I guess.
What?
I accidentally made a gate, but whatever.
How do you do that?
You put a log on a wall.
Really?
Yeah.
And so they just keep coming out here and attacking you?
Yep. For no reason at all.
For no reason at all. Can you, like, see how many cannibals you've killed?
Let's find out. Every time I hear footsteps, I think it's one of them.
It's Belvin.
Alright.
It's Smelvin.
Smelvin the Melvin.
Melvin, my cock. What is this, just a half log that you have stuck here?
Maybe.
Bro, not Nice fucking wall, dude.
Thanks.
How many trees have you cut down?
Dude, I don't even know.
I don't think these things do any damage to him. These traps you have out here, I don't think they do anything.
No, I watched him run into it and die.
Really?
That's why I put a dead body on one so they'll mourn it and die. Oh,
Your
it's
mousetrap.
gone. It's
What?
gone. The dead body's gone. Sometimes they
What?
drag them away. I've seen one start eating another.
What?
I'm driving them insane. Kevin's just over there being useless.
he's going and getting some logs, dude.
He is. Oh.
Maybe.
Oh. That was you over there. I thought he was just standing over here. I'm like, wow, great. Oh, hi, Cannibal. Yeah, you better fucking run. You want to help me, buddy? Like good old times? I got a body.
I just heard like really quiet like thumps, and then I just see you running out of the bushes with a body. I was like, whoa, he's getting beat up. And then I just see you walking out with a body over your shoulder. I was like, oh shit, we killed him. I hear you chopping him up.
Yeah.
And some milk. I already drank half that gallon. Did you hear me?
Yeah. Why isn't it chopping it off? No, it did chop it off. It's not. Wait, no. They're under the snow.
There's another one over here. Get
Okay,
away
this
from me!
It's a lot more difficult. Where's my campfire? Wait, what? I'll save you! These hooligans will not hurt my friend. We've never hurt theirs, and they shall never hurt ours. Hold on, this one's still spraying blood. Okay, it's on fire. Hey, Kelvin. Now you're over there. Oh. Okay, you got it. Phew. It's a lot harder to collect their arms and legs when they're, like, when it's snowy. Because it's hard to see them under the snow.
Booby. What are you doing here?
Genius. You're a genius.
Oh, no, you can't.
Aw.
I'm just gonna live like you, since this is, like, not my main world.
Alright. Live the good life.
Look at Kelvin.
Okay, it's on fire. Kelvin's enjoying the view. Hell yeah! Got some human jerky over here. Not hungry right now, so. No, the jerky ones are the ones that are like, they look like they've been deep fried. I'm gonna try making an effigy, see if that does anything. Tell him to get out of my fucking land. What?
The body parts don't heal you as much, Nathan.
It's fine.
It's also funny that it doesn't hurt you either.
Yeah. Okay, I made an effigy. It'll scare him now.